Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back again today with another video. So it's been snowing like crazy in London for the last week and everything literally locked off. School shut down. So I've been stuck at home with my right hand lady. Yeah, this one. We've been stuck at home together pretty much for the whole week, and I just thought it'd be fun to have her do my makeup. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous as hell because it's her. But we just figured it'd be something fun to do together. So today she's going to beat my face and hopefully she gets me looking glam at the end. Is that the aim? Yeah. Alright guys, without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video. We hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, let go. So tell the people what you're starting with.
Okay, so first I'm going to start with foundation, nose foundation. So next I'm going to have the Ben Nye powder. That should do it.
Okay.
So next I'm going to be using the Sasha setting powder.
And what are you setting? Tell them.
I'm going to be setting it all around my mom's face.
Okay. Little bits at a time.
Oh wow. This is gonna I'm gonna get really messy.
So you guys so you don't block. Oops. Okay, you happy with that?
Okay, so then next I'm going to be using the matte bronzer.
Okay guys, so I'm not picking out the products for her. I already have all the products on the table, so she's completely picking out the products and figuring out the steps on her own. The only thing I'm doing is I'm giving her the brushes that I would use to apply the product. So there you go.
Well, you already know I'm not a professional at this, so
Nobody expects professional from you. See the way you're doing your hand as if you know what you're doing. Okay. Are you happy with that?
let's see.
Alright.
Okay, so next I'm going to be using the MAC highlighter.
Just gonna use gold deposit to highlight my face and a fan brush.
I already know I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm not gonna try and put too much so it doesn't look overdone.
Anywhere else you normally see me put my highlight?
I mostly see it on your cheeks, so.
The nose. I always give myself a cute little button nose.
Okay, so next I'm going to be doing the eyes on my mother.
And she has picked out 3 eyeshadow palettes that she intends to use. So pray for me, y'all.
First I'm going to be using the
Carroty Smoky palette.
Carroty Smoky palette first.
What color are you going in for first?
Okay, so I'm going to be using this color.
They can't see it.
This color first.
Alright. And did you plan out this look you're doing on me before, or you're just going with the flow?
Yes, I did plan it.
You planned it, okay. So this should be interesting to see it at the end.
I was thinking of kind of a moody, sad vibe. Well, not too sad.
Right, so we're going for moody, sad makeup.
Then next I'm going to be using this kind of dark purple color. Okay, so then I'm going to be using this light peach color. Wow, you're gonna have a surprise at the end.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Are you finished with the eyes, or do you want to put some more color?
Then I'm gonna add 1 or 2 more colors.
Okay.
Next I'm going to be using a palette by Juvia's Place. Yes.
Okay.
And I'm going to be using this light blue, quite light.
Are you happy, or does it need more?
It looks like a mess, but yes, it's fine.
Okay, well that's very reassuring. It looks like a mess. Right, okay, so what else do you need to do? I don't have any eyebrows. Like, the way I'm feeling your hands, it feels like you know what you're doing. You know what I mean?
But really I don't. Okay, then I'm going to put eyeliner on my mom's eyes. Oh boy. Okay. If I poke you in the eye, I am so sorry.
Okay. You happy? Cover the liner.
Yeah. Okay, so then next I'm going to be using the Maybelline mascara. Next I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution Salvation Velvet Lacquer. I think I said that right.
She's going to be using Makeup Revolution Salvation Velvet Liqueur in the shade Velvet Depravity.
Next I'm going to be spraying my mom's face with a setting spray.
Okay guys, so this is the finished results. This is what the young lady behind me has put together today. I'm going to come in a bit closer because I feel like you guys really need to appreciate this. Where do we start from?
Well, I even said to you earlier, I was expecting better from you.
I was expecting better from you. I am, oh my god. I don't know what to say. This is a complete daughter does my makeup challenge fail. Do you agree?
Absolutely not.
Would you let me go out the house looking like this?
Yes.
For real? You don't love me. You don't love me then.
I'm just kidding.
You don't love me. If you love me, you wouldn't let me out the house looking like this.
I'm just kidding.
The challenge was a fail, but we still had fun doing it. She seemed quite confident. Like when she was applying the products and my eyes were closed, I felt like I was in the hands of somebody who knew what they were doing. But nah, bruh, nah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a big fat thumbs up. If we can get 5 thumbs up for this video, then I'm a happy bunny. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one without her. Alright?